Okay, so welcome back. Yesterday I promised to add a few more features just for the sake of it, and what I did is actually add two more handlers to individually handle each board uh, set. So this basically handles the whole set, and these guys will handle individual board sets just like that. Cool, and also I included some very simple particle effects over there. All right, so let's get started. So let's go ahead and place our pieces onto the board. Of course, you can move this around. This type of handlers, by the way, once we introduce them into the platform, are super easy for altering. So let's say if you want to actually place objects in a particular scene for configuration, you can very quickly visualize how things will appear in a virtual environment, right? Before you actually start any of the scenarios. So over here, again, we have our player board, and over here we have the enemy board. And I think this is pretty cool, actually, to be honest with you. That's it, game over. Yeah, I think this is much better, right? Definitely setting up the board pieces like that, it's much better. And then, of course, you can move the whole environment as you please, or you can individually, shift the boards. Again, I think placing it like this makes it a little easier to play. And of course, you have the ability to walk all around it if, your space is permitting. Right, getting closer, going around the back, looking at the back side, coming to the front, and all the cool stuff that comes with it.